Imagine a bustling city, perfectly organized and humming with life, where every tiny resident has a crucial role to play. Now shrink that city down to the size of a honeycomb cell, and you have the world inside a beehive, a marvel of nature operating with astonishing precision. Today, we enter this secret kingdom to uncover how millions of bees work together in perfect harmony. A beehive is a living structure, crafted entirely by bees from beeswax. These hexagonal cells are not just architectural wonders but serve as nurseries for baby bees, storerooms for honey and pollen, and hubs for complex social interaction. The hive is home to a superorganism led by a queen and sustained by thousands of worker bees and hundreds of drones. Despite its tiny size, this community works with incredible efficiency, ensuring survival in a challenging world. Every bee in the hive has a role tailored to its caste and age. The queen lays nearly 2,000 eggs a day, sustaining the colony's population. Drones, the males, have only one duty: to mate with a queen during her mating flights. Workers, the female bees, perform an astonishing range of jobs: building the comb, cleaning cells, nursing the young, foraging for nectar and pollen, defending the hive, and regulating temperature. Their life is a series of role changes, evolving as they age to meet the colony's needs. The hive never sleeps. Forager bees leave at dawn to collect nectar and pollen, using their remarkable navigation skills to find sources miles away. Nurse bees tend to the larvae, feeding them with royal jelly and worker jelly specially produced in their glands. Temperature within the hive is tightly controlled at about 93 degrees Fahrenheit, essential for brood development. Worker bees fan their wings to cool the hive or cluster to generate warmth, showing nature's genius at climate control. Communication is critical in a dark hive. Bees use a waggle dance to relay information about the location of food sources. This dance conveys distance, direction, and quality, the sophisticated language relying on movement and vibration. This form of nonverbal communication reveals the incredible social intelligence of bees and their ability to work as a coordinated unit. Beeswax production is a remarkable natural phenomenon. Worker bees secrete wax flakes from glands on their abdomen, which they shape and mold into the perfect hexagonal cells we see in the honeycomb. This shape is no accident. A hexagon is the most efficient way to store honey and maximize space without wasting wax. Such efficiency has inspired human architects for centuries. The importance of bees extends well beyond the hive. They are essential pollinators, supporting the reproduction of about 1/3 of the world's crops. From apples to almonds, from wildflowers to fruits, bees play a vital role in ecosystems and global agriculture. Protecting bee populations is critical to sustaining food security and biodiversity on our planet. We've glimpsed the incredible complexity and energy of life inside the hive, a world full of cooperation, precision, and purpose. But every great story has a beginning, and next time, we'll focus on that tiny yet powerful start, the queen's egg, and the beginning of a new bee's journey. Join us in the next episode as we explore the miraculous birth of a bee. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures into the natural world.